Hello students, I am Sujata Miss here with new topic, that is doodle art. Okay, now for this doodle art we require patience. Okay, so whatever we are doing, patiently you have to do. Okay, and even with this doing uh, doodle art, you will increase your patience, because each and every line in detail we are going to complete. Okay, I'll show you how to start. First of all, doodle art, it's a line work. Okay, lines doodle art we are doing. So whatever material you have at home, you can use it. Okay, now I have some these plain papers. Actually these are not plain. Some work is done on this with pencil. I'm using that same for rough practice. Even this is done something, but I'm using for rough practice. And then for final you can use any plain color, any colored paper, chart paper if you have. Otherwise you can collect it from the magazine or your book cover, back of the cover, like this something. See, this back of paper, if it is plain you can use it. Okay, like this. Now I'll show you how to start it. Okay, for this doodle art, different type of lines are required, different type of lines. So it's practice. First we will start. You can use pencil if you have any color pen, sketch pen or black gel pen. Whatever material is with you, you can use it. Okay, now see how to start practice, rough practice. Okay, I'll show you. For rough practice you require one paper. Now see, I did some straight lines on that. Now whatever design, line design, you can start it. I am doing it circular line. Same line you have to repeat. This is your rough practice. With that you will get different patterns of lines. Okay, are you getting? So these are the different patterns of lines. You can use pen, pencil, whatever material is easily available with you, you have to use it. Okay, now here I am doing this line. These different lines you have to find out. Okay, you can create different patterns. Shade some parts and some parts you can do with double line. Okay, third line I will show you. That is this part I will fill. Okay, continue that. With 3-4 line, however you want, you make patterns. Fill some part. Now here even you can make some lines. Okay, you can continue the same. Don't think that your drawing is weak, you cannot do. It's not like this. Only lines, simple lines pattern you have to create, and with that you will complete your doodle art, and it's very interesting. Okay, third line we can do with fill this. Alternate you can do, that's okay. Got it? Triangles you can do like mosaic painting, different geometrical shapes. However you will get place, you will fill with geometrical shapes like this. Means mosaic painting patterns. Okay, so this can be your different patterns for lines. Once you will do this rough practice, then final one will be easy for you. Okay, you can continue this same. Okay, now I'll turn to next. See how much patience you required for this. If you want, you can fill your first and last portion between two lines. Like this you can fill. That's up to you. So first you have to create different line patterns. Okay, and then you have to start your final drawing. Okay, continue the same. So like this different patterns you will make, and with the help of these patterns you are going to do your final design. Okay, now while doing final design you will decide what you want to do. I'll show you one example. Suppose I am taking this leaf. Here again I am doing rough practice. I am showing you roughly. Okay, suppose this you did. In this whatever design wants you can make line pattern. Got it? So this will be your, here in this if you want, how much you will fill that form, it will look nice. In between two forms I did this circular lines. So like this you have to fill your design. Are you getting? So like this you will complete your different patterns. Okay, practice some patterns on rough paper and then we will turn to final drawing. Okay, I'll show you one flower form. For example, if you are doing with pen, I'll show now. If you have pen, use it. I have this black gel pen. Students, keep your all other assignments also ready, which are given before. Okay, and this is fun with color, fun with different tools, some creative work we are taking, so that in vacation easily you will do it at home. Okay, these also assignments you keep ready. We required for exhibition. Even you can display this at home Now all of you are at home, your parents are at home, so you decorate your house so that each and every day will be interesting for you. So now these all work what we are doing, it's a simple. See, first one form I am filling, all other I am doing with line. Like this you can complete your flower. Are you getting? See, leaf and flower, right? So this way you can do it. Now we'll turn to our main topic. See, this is practice with small forms you will do, and then finally you can do different type of. Here I have done some, you can see easily, this is face made. You can do like this something. See, right? So different forms are used in this. I'll try to show you some more designs which you can do easily, right? You can take any basic form and in that you can do line design. It can be your graph book cover. So keep like this all designs ready with you. One hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, how much big you will do, how many details you will do, you can spend your time in meditation. This is all design. Now we are going to do this one. See, I did one face and here some feathers. Okay, here I completed half. In feather I did some lines pattern. Okay, now I'll continue this all and I'll show you. Okay, half is done. Now I'll turn to next. Okay, see, lines only we are doing. Some parts we have to fill. Are you getting? All circular lines. This is one excellent way for meditation. When you will do this assignment, you will enjoy it, and your parents also will be happy. They will see 1 hour, 2 hour you are doing one design, quietly sitting in one place. So you have to do like this 3-4 type of simply line patterns are. Are you getting? Okay, so this way you will complete your full face. I am doing zigzag line in this. Are you getting? See, only zigzag line pattern I am doing here. Simple pattern, and inside that I'll fill one small triangle. Very easy topic, no students? Because don't require more material, but final results very excellent you are getting. Okay, like this you have to complete your assignment and submit after reopening. Okay, keep ready. This is all. Okay, bye. Bye students, do it well.